Okay, well, we are going live, and there we go. We are now live. Oh boy. Let me make sure the audio is working. I mean, I did recording test, but streaming might be like slightly different. Okay, so it's working on the mic.
Pop that out.
How about with the music? And there we go. What's going on? We are now live. Oh boy. That delay. Let me make sure the audio is working. I mean, I did recording test, but streaming might be like slightly different. Okay, so it's working on the mic.
Pop that out.
How about with the music? Okay, hold on. Why is the... Alright guys, hold on. Let me fix up the music issue here. Just gotta do... That's not it. Multi-output device, right? Yeah, there we go. But it's still not playing. Alright guys, we'll get this figured out. Just one sec. Oops. Okay. Now, I might have to... crud. Alright, hold on. Let me minimize this real quick. Let's go to Finder. Anyways, hi everybody. We will be getting started in just a moment. I'm still not 100% familiar with like Apple stuff, but wait a minute, what did I do earlier? Oh, utilities, that's right. Yeah, like when you're doing dual output, like with Mac, it's like a little bit different. Yeah, see, it's on HDMI as well. Is that it? I think I gotta re-update the thing. Okay, hold on. I gotta get to the bottom of this. Multi-output device. Yes. Why is it not outputting to HDMI? What is happening? Oh my gosh, this is so unprofessional. Okay. What up? You just bite the apple? Yes. Hello. Game Addict Studios. Snowy Dog. Icon Rostov. Yeah, Icon Rostov. And blank. Welcome, all of you, to the stream. Now, it shows that it's outputting properly, so I really don't understand what is happening. It might just be the... Hold on, let me see if I can't do like audio input capture, and then use device timestamps. No, it's not there either. Yeah, see, look right here. Yeah. Built-in output? What's that? Well, whatever. I'll just select it anyways. Now let's see if it works. Nope, no. That yeah, that definitely goes to my default. Please work. Magically, it was working earlier. What if I just do the Elgato, like only HDMI out? Yeah, see, it's not the Apple, it's the capture card for some reason. It doesn't want to. Oh man. Oh well, we'll do the music on the laptop though. Yes, we will. And no, Majora's Wolf, there is nothing wrong with the stream per se. Just the audio on the Elgato just wanted to stop being captured, so we're just gonna play some music on the streaming laptop instead. Copyright free. I'm gonna go copyright free metal, just like I have here. Loading, loading, loading. Alright. Now I think I have system audio on, so we should be able to cover that. Let's get this out of here anyways. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Matter of fact, I don't have to wear the headphones since... Yeah, I do. Hold on. Just gotta. Yeah, maybe we'll go without music. We're like, yeah, we'll have music in the next one. That's what we'll do. We'll have music like in the next after I get the audio figured out. I don't know why it did that though. Like it was perfectly fine, and then all of a sudden. No, I did not. Natty McNat. I did not forget you. I will not forget you. I cannot forget you. All right, now. Where do we begin? Okay. So I kind of made like a fresh sort of thing from the last time. We're not using like any classes or anything like that right now. All we're really going to be focusing on directly is like the overall game itself. The engine, I guess, it runs on. So how we're going to do that, we're going to do script. And this right here can... no, we can keep that. Yeah, that was a thing that I did. We'll just ignore that part. src equals, and we're going to do lib/main.js. We're going to make a library folder. So I did a little bit of thinking about this, and hello there, Far Stepper. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. I did a little thinking about this. Drifty had to be reminded by Dave, you know, calling that because he kept reading the username. Yeah, I mean, like, this, I don't know, it's like a natural thingy thing to thing. Okay, main.js. Now, so we're going to need the canvas part. See if I can remember right off the top how to do this, like, without having to go to Google. We're definitely going to be Googling a lot, though, so expect that. While I am confident that, like, I am able to make the engine and all that stuff, I really am not so confident in, how you say, like, I guess, patience? And definitely not from memory. I don't think any programmer on the planet can remember everything directly like that. Like, you're always going to have to do some kind of research. But, that being said, let's do this. Let's go... We shouldn't, we're not going to use TypeScript, right? I don't think so. Also, instead of doing, like, the src style, since we're using Electron, we can do another one, but... Hey, Farsever, don't worry, man. Trust me, I know exactly how that feels. But as complicated as it seems, as long as you just, like, kind of read over it, it's actually literally easier to read code than it is read paragraphs, for me at least. If you don't associate the code with words and symbols and letters, and instead you take the entire, like, an entire section and process that as symbology instead, you can kind of understand it a lot better. Instead of, like, trying to read word for word, like, class dank equals constructor, oops, there's no equal sign in classes. When you look at this, you're not actually reading the word constructor the same way you would as English or the class stuff. I don't know, maybe it's just something that I do, but, like, it's, yeah. Oh, Arbiter Maker 2003 is so good. Okay, we are going to make a class. It's going to be called a canvas class, and it's going to contain everything that we need. Okay, here's how we're going to do this. Class canvas, constructor, width, height, this.prep. I'm going against, like, a little bit of the stuff that I said last time because, like, I don't want this series to look too messy, but at the same time I have to still do things in the way that I would do them. Okay, so prep. It doesn't have to be asynchronous. We just have to create it. Let's have a flag here. Main renderer. Now the main renderer flag will determine, like, what gets actually drawn on the page as the main renderer. Herp derp. I like it doing theory formula. Oh, it's like doing theory formula. You have to look at it like as a separate language. Yeah, basically. Exactly. You hit the nail right on the head, bucko. It helps a lot when you do that for some reason. At least in my case. Now let's see. Let's create a const up here actually. And this is going to be the constant, like, if we want to switch to WebGL later, this is going to be what we're going to be doing. We're going to be kind of writing functions inside of our canvas class that will do all the drawing for us. And that way, when we want to switch to WebGL, all we have to do is modify that one function to work with WebGL instead of using Canvas 2D, and bada boom, bada bing, or whatever we want to use. We want to use Pixie or whatever it might be. Yes. Yes, Luna. Let's see. Are you going to implement some event system like? No, maybe not. If I do anything like that at all, it'll be a little bit different. My eventing system would be like a little bit more open, I guess. Do you do anything on RPG Maker 2003? I used to. These days, though, I don't really hardly touch RPG Maker. RPG Maker Fez is pretty cool, though, from the 3DS. So yeah, we're going to make a const, and then render method, and then we're just going to do e dot create context 2D. Wait, what? Oh, oops. Derp. There we go. Wait, is it get context? Yeah, I think it is. It's not create context. It's good. Okay. How dare I take your mod away? How dare I not stream anymore? Also, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of like and also don't like streaming to YouTube now. Because YouTube is like, ugh, I don't know, man. They're getting a little on the cringe. The zesty cringe side of things. Now, on our prep, let's do... Const. It doesn't need to be a const. Yeah, we can make it a const. No, we need it to be a value of the thing. So let's do this dot canvas. Wait, this dot view. Let's call it view instead of canvas. It might also be stepping back from review for different reasons. There's a lot of plugins in my game. Yes, fly. Yeah, there's a bunch. Spend my life if you're out there, haven't done anything. Then limited and confusing. Yeah, RPG Maker 2003 is limited, but it is really powerful, like with the eventing system that it has. Should we make a debugger, like a debug output? We don't really need to, though, because every time we get an error, it'll usually tell us where the error is from. If we need to output anything, we'll just do a standard console log around the area where the issue is coming from. Okay, this dot view dot this dot render equals this dot view. Oops, we need to do our function here. Render method this dot view. So now, by default, this dot render is going to get the context. So it's the same as saying like this, like that. It's the same thing. But again, we can change it later. That's amazing. I was meaning the YouTube. There's content on it. I know, right? Like, I don't know, man. I just can't get into RPG Maker stuff anymore. Now that I can actually program, there are a lot of reasons for me to use. Yeah, dude. Right, Luna? Hey, Luna. So, you remember how I used to be with code? Like, well, I'm like 100 times better now because I had to be because I started my own business. So some of the software that I've had to write, it had to be like, actually somewhat high end at least. And so I was stressing so hard, but it's made me so much of a better programmer. It's awesome. Like, I don't even really need comments anymore. I can read my own code like so much easier. Kind of remember, like, know where everything's at. But comments are still good. I'm just saying I don't really need them. And we're gonna do comments here though. I'm gonna be distracted a lot. But I prefer being distracted. Honestly, because if you focus too hard for too long, you just get wore out. It just like kills your brain. Alright, now, so we got the render, the CTX, or context, whatever. We got the view. So if, let's just call it M, if M document dot body dot append child, this dot view. So now we have the whole thing prepped, but we need to define the width now. This dot width equals width. This dot height equals height. This dot view dot width equals this dot width. This dot view dot height equals this dot height. Sweet. Also, please write comments nonetheless. Yeah, I know we will. We will absolutely write comments. But I'm not gonna lie. I know I use the excuses because I would be distracted a lot, but in the truth, I just like the way the comments look. Especially JS doc. I love this crap right here. Canvas. Creates a renderer at param integer width at param integer height at param boolean. Remember that, Luna? I know you remember that one. Boolean. Hey, Rashad, how's it going? Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay, good sir. Oh my gosh, it's a freaking slime. This is JS doc this, why not? At param boolean. Heh. The YouTube video is suggesting up next is episode 1 of your Octopath Let's Play. Yes, I did decide to start as Primrose. I gotta record episode 2 of that. I'll do that like after this stream, I think. Is this an extension of Garbage Maker or its own thing? Its own thing. Or to unshadow ban him? What do you mean? I didn't even know he was banned. Banish him to the Shadow Realm. Ha ha ha. Was it property, right? Yeah. Function. Let's call it property. Oh, method. Okay. Method food prep. Alright, so we have our stuff commented now. Primrose's story is one of your favorites? Yeah, dude, it's really cool. But so far, I really like Honnet's story. Honnet and Therion's story. But that's just a Therion. A game theory. Stop. I was wondering what this was doing in my notifications. Apparently I've been subbed. The bell was never on. Oh, cool. Well, hello. MO Kia. Welcome to the stream. I hope you enjoy your stay. Also, the October YouTuber. Or the Uber YouTuber. Never mind. I'm dyslexic as heck. Uber YouTuber, welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Yeah, let's make sure I didn't really skip anybody else. Okay. Alright, let's go. Now we have our prep. So we're going to make a function called self, and it's going to return an object. It's going to return this dot width. Oops. Height, this dot height. View, this dot view. Render, this dot render. The reason for that is, like, if we ever want to, like, modify a canvas in real time, we'll just be able to kind of familiar. Like, actually, no, that is entirely pointless. You guys did not see that. Ignore that. Okay, now let's do a like a buffer system. Create buffer. Now, how the buffer system will work is like instead of like clearing the canvas every frame, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna clear it every frame. Instead, we can just define. Okay, yeah, that'll work. You're familiar with VX8? Will you be doing coding the whole stream? Probably Far Stepper. Programming will be the most like part of it. The way Haunted and her village. As long as character. Ye English. You don't like the. Ye do not like. Whatever. Freaking Yoda, help me out. Alright. Now, the buffer thing. This dot render dot clear. Clear rect, I think it was, right? Yeah. 0, 0. This dot view dot width. Wait. This dot width. This dot height. And now it's not going to do every frame though. Create buffer. What we're doing is just kind of clearing the image. But that the functionality is going to be a little bit different for WebGL. That's why I created it into a function instead of. So let's do set bitmap img. And then all we have to do for that is this dot render dot draw sprite, I think it was. Huh. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to look this up because I don't remember. Canvas draw sprite. I just need to find the original function. Okay, so we do need this. Alright. So let's go to img. Let's make a folder here. SPR for sprites. Ooh. That looks smexy. I like that. I like how that looked there. That was really cool. You'll check it out later? Alrighty. See you later, Far Stepper. Now let's see. We're gonna need BG for backgrounds. We're gonna need. What else are we gonna really need, like besides sprites and backgrounds? Because if you think about it, that's really all. Maybe tiles. And again, we could have like lugged in the tiles of the background, but that would have been too unorganized. I don't want to do that. Now, as for the sprites, we're gonna go ahead and steal from RPG Maker real quick. Oh yeah, I was working on like sort of neuron thing. That was cool. The neurons would like send signals to each other and everything, and like yeah, it was pretty neat. Sounds. Soul Taker Spirit. What kind of sounds? The dank kind of sounds, or like the not so dank kind of sounds. Let's do characters here. I'm just gonna copy over. Well, we'll use a vehicle. Hold on. Why you know? There we go. I'll check it out. VS Code has like a thing where you can view now. Was it always like that? Huh. Yeah, I think we're just going to use this. So now, instead of just drawing directly, we're going to also... Yeah, okay. Here's what we're going to do. Game, music, defense, etc. Heather's still bugging me because he's muted. What are you talking about? How is he muted? Like, I don't see... Slash unban? Nope, that's not a thing. Rip. Alright. First off, though, we do want to load the thing. Hold on. We do want to load in the image. That part's obvious. But if the canvas here is going to be used as a drawing thing, because I'm kind of wanting to bunch together the main render canvas along with any other kind of canvas to save up on like extra code, to reduce extra code rather. Now let's just go ahead and place this. Dot slash. Let's do ing slash. Wait a minute. It's not going to automatically. I don't remember if like it counts from where the JavaScript file is, or if it counts from where the rendering HTML file is. Well, whatever. We'll just be safe. Number do SPR slash. Oops. Hold on. Forgot it needs to be these kinds of little. What do you call these things again? Friggin' A. Affects your voice to text? No, I will not, good sir. Let's do that. Now, img.onload, I think it was. Meaning like when it's loaded, this dot view dot width equal to, oh yeah, this dot image dot width, this dot view dot height. I think this is the way to do it. Pretty sure. You're insane. Insane in the membrane. Ultra Ricardo P. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. I'm gonna sip my coffee here because I would not be able to do this without it. Oh, I gotta find a way to make this a little bit more interesting. I had music gonna be ready to be played, but no, freaking dang capture card doesn't want to pick it up now all of a sudden. It was working earlier during testing. I know it's because I didn't restart OBS like before starting the stream. Oh well. Now we can draw. So this right here, we're just gonna here. Let's see if we can remember the draw sprite. This is like the old way to do it here. Nobody does this anymore. Well, unless it's their preference, then they do. Okay, hold on. Here we go. Wait, what? I have no idea what that means, but alright. Let's go to the W3. The W3 had it. Okay, where are you at, guys? Oh, come on. They used to be here like all the time. Back in the old days. No! Fine. I'll try to memorize it. So me. Oh, it's draw image. That's why. Duh. I think this will tell us anyways. Yeah, there we go. I just had the wrong thing. Alright, so we have our source X. We have our source Y, but we're not going to worry about all this stuff yet. So we're just going to do our sprite. This dot img. Oops. That would have ended in a disaster. Much better now? What's much better? Oh. Wild Beast! What up? How's it going, fam? What you know, your Ultra Ricardo P? Alright, so drawing the image, we're going to do 0, 0. This is basically, long story short, like what this is going to do is it's going to create the whole image of the sprite thing, in this case the vehicle, and it's going to set the canvas's width and height equal to the vehicle PNG's size, and then it's going to draw it onto its own canvas. The reason we want to do a create buffer first is because, like, again, we want to make sure it's 100% clear, which it should be by default. But you never know, like, there might be some kind of jank thing in the future that makes it, like, automatically render a black image, and then that would cause mayhem and chaos to, like, go out of control. And then we're just going to draw the image so it stamps it. Now, we're going to create a function called draw from. Draw from, and then canvas. This dot render dot draw image. Okay, so canvas and then settings. Const defaults equals sx is equal to, sx is the source x of the sprite that we want to draw, like the chunk of the sprite. Bucko, what are we gonna? Let's just have a default 0 sy 0. Source width is by default the this .img.width. This source height is this .img.height by default. And then now we have our main x, y, width, and height. So x is 0, y is 0, width is 0, height is 0. So there we go. Yeah, I remember how it works now. And then what we're going to do, for let I in settings, defaults I is equal to, oops, it just needs to be let, so yeah. Defaults I is equal to, it doesn't need to be a const, I'm not worried about it. I think if you predefine the const, then like it'll automatically lock the predefined values, but it still lets you create more or something. I don't fully remember. Anyway, defaults I is equal to settings I. Now, whatever settings we change will be set. So it's not going to be default if we change the settings whenever we want to draw the image from. So we're going to do draw from canvas. And then here we go. Defaults.sx, defaults.sy, defaults.sw, defaults.sh, defaults.x, defaults.y, defaults.w, defaults.h. There we go. If you want, you can kind of smexify this by like configuring multi-line stuff. I don't really care about that though. That method clear buffer clears the canvas. But create buffer clears the canvas. Prep prepares the canvas. The canavs, guys, it prepares the canavs. You gotta prepare them canavs, bucko. Prepare them string. No, that'd be a file, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's still a string, so it's whatever. That method set bitmap sets the bitmap for canvas. Sets the image for the canvas, whatever. Then, oh yeah, we have two things here. Canvas, and then object. There we go. Object. I object. Object. That's fun to say for some reason. Method draw from. Draws from another canvas. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty good. Let's see. We don't really need to make comments like on the insides because everything is pretty well documented right now. Okay. Do we need anything else though? Do we need anything else for now? Let's go ahead and try this out. Like, let's see if this works. So right now there shouldn't be anything. If we go to, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, right here in front of me. Developer tools. If we go to developer tools, there really shouldn't be anything. I see we have some kind of error though. Oh yeah. App.json is no longer existing. Cause, I mean, it does exist, but it's not in the right spot. Since we're calling npm initialize, it needs to be like that. There it is. The title changed, and we have no errors. Good. Now let's go ahead and create our element here. Script. Oops. Let's go ahead and get started. Const main equals new canvas. And our arguments were what again? X and Y, right? Oh, it's not going to update like that. Class canvas. And yeah, width, height, and main render. So let's do 360, 240, true. Now by default, it should create an element. There it is. All right, so there we go. Our canvas is now being created. Nice. All right, now we need to scale that canvas, but in a way that's not going to Hadoopify it. Yes, Hadoopify is now a thing. Link rel equals style sheet, type equals text css, href equals style.css. Now we're going to do canvas, background black, HTML body, margin 0px, padding 0px, position absolute, top 0px, left 0px, width 100%, and height 100%. Now the entire screen should be black. Yep, there we go. But we're going to have an issue. We need to do object fit. And I think it was cover or contain. Hold on, let me see. Let's go to CSS object fit. W3 school. So cover, we'll cut off the sides. We don't need that. We need to maintain the aspect ratio. So, aha, there it is. It is cover. Aha, here we go. Scale to maintain its aspect ratio while fitting with it. Yes, there we go. It is contained. And if I remember, there's also another thing we need to do though. We need to. What was it? Image rendering, right? Yeah. Yeah, I think the first one will help us out. Crisp edges, pixelated auto. Here values low. When scaling the image up, the nearest neighbor algorithm must be used, as it appears, because composed of large pixels. And scaling down, it's the same as auto. Okay. Image rendering pixelated should be just enough for us. And yeah, that'll help us with the thing. So if we draw some text real quick, like if I go here, main.render.draw, wait. fill style equals, let's just do white, and then let's do main.render.fill text happy 8. There you go. The text is still anti-aliased, and there's nothing I can do about that. There kind of is, but there's also not. Like, we can have a string where each character is stored up inside of a much larger canvas and then scaled back down, and then it would remove the, in theory, it should remove the anti-alias effect, but I don't really care about that. But see, without the image rendering, and like without the, see, like right now, if I did this, you see how like it scales properly? Without these two things here, that jump's gonna look jank. Here, watch. Let's save that. Hey! Yeah. Yeah. So like we can do like something like that, make it ultra wide, and it's gonna look jank AF. But if we do these two things, it looks perfect. It scales to the middle. Aspect ratio is maintaining, and there we go. And Bootstrap, so you can do something like this. Awesome, dude. Soul Taker, don't feel like that you don't want to share anything. Like, dude, please share that with us, because I'm in love with this kind of thing. To be honest with you, anything Electron or Node.js or anything JavaScript, really, I love. So yeah, feel free to like keep me posted on that and stuff. Be awesome, dude. And good luck with your difficulties, because you will definitely run into a couple. So yeah, I don't think they did anything to fix the what's happening. Yeah, I don't really think they did anything to fix that. I need to restart my Electron app to redo the sizing part. Okay, so now we got a basic rendering element going on. So now, question is, I'm sorry, I didn't see your thing. Excuse me, your new question, but what the RPG Maker Pro is? It's basically our own RPG Maker. Person with a Russian name that I have no idea how to read. I could try though. Capybara. Yes. But yeah, RPG Maker Pro is like our own version of RPG Maker that we're going to be using. Right now, though, we're just developing the main rendering. We will probably switch to... I don't know yet. Should we switch to Pixie later? I think we might. We might actually go to Pixie. Or just like raw WebGL, like see what we can do. I don't know, but Canvas 2D is not too bad, actually. It's really not. There's a lot of stuff that you can do in Canvas 2D. Including rotation and all kinds of other things, like scaling. You can do all the basic stuff that you need to do. Now let's create another class. And I want to go ahead and organize this a little bit more. Classes. Const. Wait. Should we like make this browser friendly? Yeah, maybe we should. Yeah, we're gonna make this browser friendly. So in other words, we're gonna do, instead of having like a main.js, we're gonna do lib/classes, oops, slash canvas.js. We're just going to erase main.js for now. See if it still works. Yep. Okay, it still works. Oh, I know. Yeah, no, that's not the permanent name. That's just like a temporary thing until I can come up with a good name for it. But it's our own RPG sort of maker thing. Maybe we can call it JRPG Maker. Should absolutely switch to Pixie. Especially Pixie 5. Far more optimized and easier to use than anything you could probably do on your own. Perhaps, yes. In fact, I can guarantee that is correct. But the thing is, though, I don't know. I don't think I'm like wanting anything to be easy at the moment. Which I know sounds weird, because normally, you would want things to be easier for you. But I don't know. I've had things a little too easy like my entire life. So the harder the challenge, like the more I'm interested in it. And then I feel like if it gets a little easy, then I might get like disinterested or like depressed about it and all that kind of crap. So we're gonna try and not make this easy as much as possible while also making it effective and doable, which is gonna be weird. That probably made no sense to like anybody except for me. Hey, whatevs. You love programming though? Heck yeah, Soul Taker. Programming is awesome, dude. Let's make an object class. An actor class. Class actor. Oops. Constructor. But yes, Pixie.js, Janine, is 100% amazing and optimized as heck. Like, questionably. I haven't checked out Pixie 5, though. I don't think. Hey, the purest of random. How's it going? Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Or are you kidding me? This stream's been going on for like 47 minutes now. Dang, bucko. That's cray-cray, fam. Alright, now... So, what do we... We don't really need to define anything right now from the main thing. You love RPG Maker? I know RPG Maker's great. But our actors are going to need values, so we're just going to do this.x equals 0, this.y equals 0, this.scale equals... And then we're going to do an array of this, so the first one is x and the second one is y. So 1, 1. Hey, Charizard, Charizanico XD. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay. Long time no see, bud. It has been 100 million years. Alright, so we have our scale, we have our x and y. Instead of like doing the scaling, no, yeah, we'll do percentage scale. Oh no, that's redundant though. So no, let's do the width stuff. This dot width equals 8. This dot height equals 8. Whatever. And this dot elements equals. So the elements will be the container for the images. Or like other items like text and all that. I feel you, that's the case. Why use JavaScript? Yeah, well, the thing is though, no, I don't mind you asking, not one bit. Thing is, I'm way more familiar with JavaScript now because when I started my own business and everything, a lot of the software, well, all of the software really that I had to write, and it had to be done in like an actually professional manner as well, which drove me crazy, but it made me a better programmer. I've always been a fan of Node.js and JavaScript and stuff like that. But now I have way more experience in JavaScript than any other language. And I don't know, I just find JavaScript fun. And when it's not a job, I feel like fun is like definitely the way to go. I mean, there's really no point, obviously, because there's like no point in x86 64 assembly. Okay. Oops, what did I do? Fudge. There, that's x86 assembly to me. Oh, Luna just got banned for something. I have no idea what he got banned for. Streamlabs, are you high? Luna did not... He was... Okay, Luna, you were timed out for 1 second. It did that before as well. Can we get a JoJo reference in the chat? Yes, please. We need 9,001 JoJo references. This RPG Maker Pro. What's the difference between everything? Charizard. Like literally everything. Also, get wrecked, Luna. Streambot does not like you, apparently, for some reason. It is. Oh my gosh, Luna, dude, do you see what Streamlabs did there? Dude, Streamlabs is freaking self-aware, man. You said language, and like Streamlabs was like x86-64 language. F that. Let's get that out of here, fam. No, we don't need that, bucko. And it banned what? Oh my gosh. Maybe try assembly. See if the word assembly was the bad word, actually. Type assembly and then like see if it bans you again. that'd be amazingly ridiculous, dude. Oh, that'd be incredible. And then type gender, see if gender is foul language. Okay, let's not go there. All right, so back to normal life. Append element type val. So I'm just gonna wait. What was it, Luna? What was the Hey, Shad, what's up? What was the deleted message? Assembly? Oh my gosh. Why does Streamlabs think assembly is... What are you doing, Streamlabs? What? Waiting for messages. Guys, what? My mind is blown. That's the most... Oh my... That's so retard. Like, how do you do that? By accident? Oh my gosh. That makes me want to drown in air. Oh. I don't know why RPG Maker doesn't include an action battle system as a type of battle. Yes, without need for a plugin. I know, right? No, Chad. No, it doesn't. This is amazing. You can't say assembly. Oh, because it has the word ass in it. Oh my... Okay, that's a little oversensitive. I don't know how. Like, I can't... It's changed, and I don't feel like learning. Luna? No. Nobody is mod. I don't need mods anyways. Oh, somebody else said that well. Test. I wonder if it'll ban me. I don't know if it'll ban me or not, but I'm typing in there to see. Anyone watching this in like after this record is probably like, "Oh my gosh, will you just?" Yeah, Shad, really. Oh my goodness. Wait, const obj equals that, and then wait a minute. We don't even need to do it that way. We can do this like a lot better. Hold on. Yeah, we can just do values like that, and then we can do wait, new string. Yeah, there we go. We'll do this.elements.push. Hold on. Okay, type string and then value str. And it's because again we want to keep things a little on the bypass Streamlabs. Oh, good job. Google how to unmute users. Okay. How to unmute users on YouTube. At the risk of getting a copyright strike. Hey, look! I'm live. Let's go here. Yay! We're watching the Unpro. Nice Streamlabs. Really are smart. They are, man. They're genius. I don't know what the issue is. I wish I could show you the abomination I just created in MS Paint. Big brain time. Yes, big brain time. Not little big brain. Not little big planet. Da -da 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 -da. Gonna drink my coffee more. It's kind of getting lukewarm. Don't forget to lock the front door. I don't know. Well, this guy is a cool streamer. He. Shut up, Shad. You're not loved. With your edgies. Unpro was the best YouTuber I know. Yeah, that's right. You tell him. I'm purist of random. It checks the start of words. Yeah. Wait, it just checks the start? So if you type that, it's not gonna. What do you do in Streamlabs? I don't know. Alright, my brain is like melted. Okay, let's go. Now we have our actor class. We don't need to friggin' define like an X and Y function to set the X and Y because. Wait a minute, we don't even need X and Y for the actors, do we? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. We can still store them. Yeah, that'll work. All right, I got a cool, cool thing going on now. Actor.js. Yeah, we'll do more of this later though. My brain's dead. What up, Flamers? Hello, Mega Venus. Welcome to the stream. Hope you enjoy your stay, which is about to end. But hey, who cares? It's cool. Yeah, you know, I had fun streaming again though, man. I need to do this more often, seriously. Golly. So yeah, in the next episode, we will be able to draw images and stuff. Yay, fun. And it won't, yeah, we'll try and play some music as well to keep things moving. Instead of being a yawn fest. They'll say assembly, correct? Yes. Yes. Do not say it correctly at all. Yep. See, look. There you go. Rip Mega Venus. Wait a minute. Is it banning him just because of his name? Oh my gosh. Is it because his name contains Enos, which rhymes with penis? And therefore it bans him? Dude, I'm dead. Yes, you should. Who uses Game Jolt anymore, though? Go for itch.io, broski. I don't know, though. I don't know much about Game Jolt, so I can't really talk smack about it. Mega Venus? Mega Venice? No, he dropped the F-bomb. Oh, he did? Oh, wait, are you kidding me? Dude, it's because he said Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, okay. Before I end the stream, we have to find the stupidest words that can get banned. So just like everyone, just start spamming some random word. Well, maybe you shouldn't spam because apparently that'll get you your Google account disabled. Just spend $80 or so and do it on Steam. No. Also, what? You made a game? Nice. I didn't make anything yet. Unless you're talking about the catning. Which I herpy derped and spelled the catering. But yeah, that became an amazing series. But I wonder if Fig Newton is a bad word. Can I configure the bad words? Hold on, let me go to... I don't feel like logging into Streamlabs. Heck. Oh my gosh, guys, this swear thing. I have to log in now. Should we keep that actually? Just to annoy people like that. Yes. I'm your Venus, I'm your fire. Next time harass me on Discord, the VC, so you can run the stream like all the time. I mean, it's not like I'm taking these streams to the utmost seriousness, so maybe. Try a swear in a different language. Do it. Remember the stream where Devin kept making fun of Black? Yes, I remember that. And trying to get me banned from YouTube. You know, I'm pretty sure Shad can vouch for this as well. With that whole COPPA thing going around, the level of adult our streams were back in the day, oh my gosh. I'm pretty sure my channel would not only get deleted, but they would like figure out a way to delete it from time itself. Because the FCC are a bunch of babies. And hey, you know what? If the FCC tries to find me for my old videos, I'm gonna wage war, dude. You don't even know. They ain't gonna get no money from me. Oh, you have? Why did you archive my entire channel, Chad? You're weird. Who does that? Dude, you're like obsessed with me or something. That is creepy. 400 gigs? Why would you do that? Actually, that's probably for the better. You know what? Now I know who to go to if I need evidence. I'll just call Shad. Yo, Shad, I'm in court. We need a... Wait, what? What did Luna say? I'm gonna go find out what Luna said. Good times. Oh my... Dude, it banned Luna because he said black people, apparently. Oh my gosh. I can't even process this. No, Lunatoid, no, don't listen to other people. Mac OS, while it's not good for gaming, and anyone who would try to get a Mac for gaming is pretty much retarded. No offense to actual mental challenge people, of course. I don't want to get flamed by, like, you know, a bunch of people like, oh, you're not supposed to make... Well, I'm not making fun of that. Okay, it's just a phrase that we use. We're used to using it. We do not, and we as in, like, people who use that word, just go screw yourself, okay? We're not making fun of anyone who's mentally challenged. Anyway, and that's the end of that. So if you want to argue, you're a moron, go screw yourself, screw off. I'm not going to read your stupid comments. So anyway, what was I saying? I completely lost the track. Oh, yeah. So Mac OS, though, it is amazing. Dude. Like, it is so smooth. Luna, this computer here, it performs like a brand new machine, right? But look what year this model is. This is a 2011 model, and it's an iMac, and the display on it, Oh my gosh, the display on it is insane. Like the quality of the image. You used to have Mac in the past and the keyboard shortcuts. Dude, yes, dude. The keyboard shortcuts were the most confusing thing ever to get used to. But now, like using Command C feels so much more natural than Control C ever did. Kind of. I'm getting used to it anyway. It's so weird though because I have to switch between them. So I have Windows on my laptop, Linux on another system, and then I have the Mac here. And I need it. I need all three systems to test software. I know, right? This background's sweet. Yeah. So sometimes, like when I switch from Mac and then I go to Linux, and I'll be like, "Wait, what the heck is happening, fam?" Like I'll try to hit Command C instead. I can switch it in Linux, but Windows, I don't know if you can. And it's so weird, man, using like different keyboards and stuff. You need to join my Discord? Do it. Bet you won't. That's good, girl. Wait a minute, what? Okay, there. Yeah, I mean, I am hardly on Discord. More than I used to be, but still, I don't know. Uh, hmm. Live stream settings. What's this? Ooh. Hold up, y'all. Here comes an ad. Mm. Hashtag everybody uses ad block anyways. Banned by Plarby. What are you talking about? Anyway, yeah, yeah, yeah. He hasn't been around in like for a while. All right. Anyways, yeah, we are finally getting off the stream. Otherwise, I'll sit here like talking for another good hour or two. You're allowed my to make a horror series. I know everybody did. That junk was this. That was the stuff back in the day, man. Okay, can we write in peace? No, you're not allowed, Eclipse. That's against the rules of memeing. Alrighty. See you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I had a lot of fun. I hope you guys had fun as well. The quality of the stream should have been really high compared to last time. I'm using a separate computer entirely to do the encoding. But yeah. See you guys. Somebody is real upset honking that horn. Honk it. Peace out. See y'all later. Not gonna do a video of thing. What you call it? Octopi Traveler. Shad has problems. And let me show the entire world why. Hold on. Window capture. What even is happening right now? I don't even know which Microsoft Edge is the right one. It's just a bunch of different edges with no titles. Not that one. Not that one either. What? Oh, this junk be dumb AF. Whatever, I'll just do like an entire screen. Display capture. Oh, I'm suddenly using Windows. The magic. Make me edit your videos again. You know, I might actually take you up on that offer. I really seriously might. I like actually might. I don't know though, because them files are gargantuan in like file size and stuff. But yeah, dude, it kept getting desynced and I was getting triggered. So yeah, man, if you want to edit my videos again, yeah, we can do that. I can send you the video files through Discord. I have like high-speed internet, so it wouldn't take that long to upload. For those who don't know, Shad used to edit my videos, and he was like really good at it. I don't know how. Hashtag, please do not go and watch the Metroid 2 thing, because, yeah. Shad added a little, not safe for work bullcrap in it. Alright. Actually, do go watch that. Give me the ad revenue that I don't need anymore. Alright, see you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Peace out. Oh, yeah. Anybody who wants to... Hold on. Join in. I'm thinking of letting this go live. I was going to link the Discord thing in the chat, but I just remembered I don't have Discord on this laptop. So it's whatever. It's going to be a meh. Alrighty, guys. Once again, for like the 10 millionth time, I will smell y'all laters. Peace out.